Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video. Today is a very special day. We're going to be throwing on the new wheels. Holy crap. You guys remember the wheel reveal that was about a month ago, and it's taken about a month to put them on due to really bad weather. Kind of just scheduling conflicts. My wheel guy finally got back to me, and realistically, it's just everyone's busy. I understand he's got a lot of things going on. I have a lot of things going on, and I'm certainly excited to finally be able to throw these wheels on. So we just got the tires mounted. Everything's should be all square, valve stems and all. Yeah, no, I'm freaking excited, guys. The APR wheels are very, very similar to the Pretorias. I will be doing kind of a weight comparison. Now, it's not a perfect comparison, bear in mind, because both wheels have different, even different sets of tires, and that's the most important thing. I want to see if I really did shave some weight. I'm gonna think I probably didn't. I think the wheels with the Pretorias, or sorry, the tires with the Pretorias, or that setup is just pretty light compared to the APR setup I went with. These more summer-oriented tires that I threw on the APR wheels, those are probably gonna be a little more on the heavier side. So we're gonna definitely see. I do have a scale where we'll do it the most scientific way, where I weigh myself and then kind of just do the math. I did my due diligence, and I hopefully have all of the things I need to do this wheel job. So basically, right when I get home, we're gonna be throwing on these new wheels. So I'm super excited to share that with you guys. So stay tuned. All right, so as you guys can see, the wheel has loosened itself, and looks like we have some pretty even tread wear. These are my favorite tires in the entire universe. These tires see hell. They do. There's no hiding it. And they've been so good to me. DWS 06+ for the win. Best all-season tire. I'm really hoping the APR wheels will allow for this lock. And if they don't, I'll let you know, but I'm hoping they do. Otherwise, I have to find another lug. So first wheel is off. I'm gonna just do one at a time because it's just me here. So yeah, we'll throw the first wheel on. As you guys can see, they're all over there. And we'll see what the fitment's looking like. All right, well, as you can maybe see for some sweat starting to build up on my face, we got wheel number one on. Just gotta tighten the lugs. I'm embarrassed to show you guys my process of how I put these on, because I'm probably not the right way. So we're just gonna show you sort of the before and after. I didn't weigh the wheel yet. I think the last wheel I put on I'm gonna weigh just to see, but the fitment is A-okay. That's what we see. I'm gonna torque these down a little bit better because I don't trust my impact. And wow, I spy with my little eyes some pretty good fitment, if I do say so myself. All right, so we officially have the front on. I'm gonna do the front and the rear just to compare with the other side that hasn't been done yet. But guys, holy guacamole, this is like a dream come true in a way, because I went to the trouble of lowering the car about 1.5 years ago, and I never ended up doing any wheel, treatments. I can never make up my mind on anything, literally anything, even cars. This car took me forever to decide if I wanted to go far or not, but I'm glad I made the right decision. These wheels are super freaking sweet. I might rub. I will admit, I might rub. We got the back to do. I mean, this is a crime, guys. I've had this car lowered for 1.5 years, as I mentioned, and I've been driving around with this fitment for 1.5 years. I can't believe I've been doing it, but regardless, oh my God, dream come true. Little before and after, I'll show you guys kind of a little bit of a pan shot so you get an idea, but check that out versus this, which isn't drastically different, but it's different enough where I, for instance, not that much poke versus, oh, hey there. It's with wheels, little differences go a long way. I don't want to make it undrivable. I didn't want to go with anything with any more offset, and certainly not anything wider than this wheel. So I think we made the right call. We'll throw on the rears and we'll see what she looks like. All right, you guys, we are really humming along. We got one of the rears done. Check that out. It's pretty nice. That'll do for now. Guys, oh my God, I'm just really, this is what it's gonna look like. On one side, of course, but yeah. And of course, obviously, we still have to drive the car. It's still kind of, I guess, As you know, when you raise the car up and down, we still need kind of the springs to settle. So I think the rear will probably be even a little bit lower than you can see right here, but oh man, I'm liking it. And in fact, I believe it's really supposed to be kind of similar to the front. We got a little gap just because of all the, you know, when you lift the car, blah, blah. Yeah, whatever. So I'm happy about it though. I like it, I dig it. We'll have to weigh them. So in fact, I think while it's fresh in my mind, I'm gonna go grab the scale and let's weigh these puppies. Welcome to our quick interruption to the video. We're gonna do some science, and science being, I'm gonna be weighing these puppies. We have a dirty, not cleaned, so like this adds some weight to it. But Pretoria is on DWS 06 tires. These are 19-inch Pretorias versus our APR wheels, 19-inch 8.5, so 0.5 wider than, of course, our Pretoria. However, this has a summer tire. It's a Continental. I actually don't know the name of the tire, but it's a summerish-esque tire versus our all-season. So I think this is going to be heavier. I do think it's going to be heavier, but I want to know how much heavier. So it's time for some science. Now with one dirty Pretoria wheel, that puts us at 201.4. 201.4. Science. 204 on the dot. 3.4 pound. With this new setup, we are adding 2.6 pounds of rolling mass, which is great. Kind of what most people would not do. Does not matter. I don't care. These look better than the other choices. We're not judging the weight of the wheels, really kind of just the weight of my situation. Again, everyone's gonna be like, well, that's not really mathematical because they both have tires, they're different tires. I don't care. Pretoria was never ever gonna see another summer tire. This is gonna be my summer set. I can kind of bite the bullet and eat the extra poundage, especially with better tire compounds, so whatever, I don't care. I'll lose weight, that's what'll happen. I'll have to lose, well, rolling mass. I really don't want to do math. Math is not my strong suit, bear with me. So, end of the kind of video interruption with weighing these things. Back to our scheduled program. Alright guys, we're taking it on a quick little road testy, and so far so good. I'm not going to open it up by any means. Quite frankly, I want to just double check those lugs when I took my first kind of like stop. I'm going to drive to the gas station where there's some better light because, well, it's nighttime. But I'm very, very excited to show you guys what she looks like in the gas station lights. So this might result in a probably my 4th or 5th gas station Instagram picture in the last few weeks, so very impressive. Differentiation at its finest, so we will be there shortly. Check it out, guys. That's the way I like it. It's nice and kind of spaced out, of course. I don't think we're really gonna have to worry about any rubbing at all. I do apologize for just a generally disgusting vehicle, but check it out, guys. Huge improvement. I know a lot of people are probably just like, well, why don't you go a little wider? Well, I'll tell you why. I don't need it to rub. This is, again, my daily driver. It's got to be somewhat reasonable and reliable to drive, but I'm very impressed. The car is due for a wash. I'll probably do it when it's not expected to rain the following day, which tomorrow we're expecting a little bit of some showers. So, oh my God, guys, look at that. That right there is a photo itself. It drives so well that I'm actually suspecting my Pretorias are bent, just because of how smooth it is. It's been a while since I've driven a car without any like slight vibrations. You know, I'm excited to take this thing on the highway and at least kind of just see what it is, what it's all about. Because again, new wheels. Obviously, these are very likely not bent because they're fresh from the whatever. I don't know how they're made. Made in China though. But guys, check it out. Oh man, I'm super freaking happy about these. So, yep, elephant in the room. The lug nuts are silver. We'll swap those out. I'll get to it, but kind of a one step at a time type of deal. As you guys know, this build has been going on for about 3 years now. So, yeah, I'm pretty happy with where we're at. So, we'll leave it at that. But I appreciate you guys so much for staying tuned to the channel and sort of bearing with me on my harsh delays when it comes to videos. And as you can see, I risk it all for you guys. It's freezing cold out here, so we'll leave it at that. But thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.